Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Have you ever wanted to really impress someone with a special dinner and everything you find either takes all day or has ingredients you're never going to find? Then this is definitely for you. Stick around to see how to really wow those special people in your life. Today we're making poisson en papillote. Basically it's fish in paper, and it's always an impressive meal, and you can use any fish or chicken, or even vegetables if you like. These are my favorite that I like to use in this dish. I have here some halibut and some shrimp and some scallops and a little bit of salmon. And I've already put a little bit of basil infused olive oil on there. And so now I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then we're going to put this on our piece of parchment. This parchment piece here is about 16 inches long. And what I like to do is I like to fold it so it's a little longer on the top edge here. To compensate for the fish that's going to go in there when you start crimping the edges. So I just like to put that fish on the side here, and you can just put it in however you think you're going to want to present it when you open it up. And so let's now put in this is 1 mushroom per packet. And just a little bit of crushed garlic. And a little bit of shallot. And this is a little bit of chiffonade of basil. And then this is a little bit of white wine that we're just gonna drizzle on top. And you fold that over and start crimping the edges. You want to keep the crimps really small and press down on them tightly as you go around the parchment. Just fold over that last little edge. Give them all a nice press, and you have your first little packet of poisson en papillote. And I can just pick that up, place it on your baking sheet, and move on to your next one. We're just going to fold that over a little longer again. Place our fish on there. Put the mushrooms on there. And again with the garlic. Shallots. The chiffonade of basil, which is basically how it's cut. You just roll up the basil and you slice it in these strips. It's called a chiffonade. and a little bit of white wine. Fold it up and start crimping. And that goes in a 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. It's like opening a present. All those ingredients have come together perfectly. I paired it with steamed asparagus and pan-roasted fingerling potatoes. Simple but elegant and so very delicious. Sure to get a wow from your dinner guests. And remember, if it's time-tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.